Hello everybody. Today we're just going to focus on the Piccolo Marimba. As you can see, the Piccolo Marimba is made of wood, a wooden frame with metal pipe legs, and then at the top you have the keys. Now these keys are made from a special resonant wood called kiat or mukwa. And then at the bottom you have this box here. This box is called a resonator. This helps to amplify the sound when you play, when you strike onto the keys. Now we move into the range of the keys on the piccolo. Firstly, we're going to count how many keys the piccolo has, counting from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the piccolo has 14 keys. Now we're going to move into the function of the piccolo in the whole ensemble. The main function of the piccolo is to play the melody or to play the tune. Now I'm going to demonstrate. I'm going to pick up a tune that is quite common. I'm going to play you In the Jungle. Right, so that is the melody. So the piccolo mainly plays the melody while the other instruments accompany that melody, as we are going to discover as we go through the rest of the instruments. Now I'm going to demonstrate how not to get a perfect sound and also how to get a perfect sound. Now I'll start with not getting a perfect sound. If you play right at the top of the key, you won't get a perfect sound. Also, if you stick your mallets down to the key, you are muting the sound, so you're not getting a perfect sound. Same thing happens if you try and play at the bottom here, or use this part of the stick. That is not good. Now, this is where you get your perfect sound. Holding your mallets with your thumb and your forefinger, getting this movement so that your mallet head can bounce off the key. That's a perfect sound. All right. Now, we're going to move on. I'm going to be giving you a couple of exercises that you can use to help you get the alternating technique perfectly. So I'm going to play you the scale of C. So I'm going to play on the keys here from C to the other C, ascending and then descending. I'll play 1 each. After that, I'll play 2 each, followed by 3 and then 4. One more time, going up, and then coming down. Now I'm going to play straight up, up, and then descend. Now I'm going to play 2 each. Three each. Four each. Right, now I'm going to put that whole exercise together. Without stopping, I'm going to start 1 up and descend, 2 up, descend, 3 up, descend, 4 up, descend, without stopping. All right, so that was in the scale of C. You can do the same thing and play also in the scale of G. That means you'll be using now F sharp instead of F. Now, this exercise is going to help you, especially when you're now playing melodies and you are using the alternating technique. Thank you for watching this episode. Please click on the link to our website, or you can watch some of our other videos here. If you enjoyed the videos, please like and subscribe. This is going to help us to create more awareness and to share skills.